Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today I discuss class 10 chemistry, chapter 2 acid, base and salt. Today we start revision of these chapters. So these chapters are already completed. I hope all are go through this video and properly you have to study. So today we are only revise some important topic of these chapters. So this is helpful to your remember, or this is one type of revision classes. So let's start. First one we are discuss about acid. What is acids? Acids is mainly the substance which are found in the naturally occurring acids and some substance which are found in the inorganic source. Okay, it is are the some organic acids which are used in the acid or these are found in some foods like citric acids. Okay, it's content in the lemon or orange which contain water. Citric acid. All these citrus food, this one are present acid. This is the citric acid. One of the tartaric acids. Okay, and one of the lactic acid. This is also found in the cod. Okay, so these are the some acids. These are the used, and some are the acids. These are used in our laboratory. Like these are the mainly strong acids. It is the hydrochloric acids, HCl's, sulfuric acids, H2SO4, nitric acids, SNO3. These are the some strong acids. So how the acids we have to identify and what are the acids? First one in the physically the acids, and they have the change the blue litmus to red in color. So litmus is an indicator, one type of indicators. This one are the help to identify either a solutions it is acidic or basic in nature. So the litmus paper, in blue litmus paper we are add some acids, then this blue litmus are changed into red in color. And another one are the acids are the generally sour in taste. What are khata? Okay, sour taste. It is a sour in taste. The acids like the orange, lemon, this one are the sour in taste. Okay, another one is the acids. They have the produce always H plus ions. Okay, this is the most important. The acids are the produce H plus ions in their aqueous medium, means they are the hydrolysis of with waters or in aqueous medium, they always produce H plus ions. So the substance which produce H plus ions is called water acids. Next we are discuss about what is base. So bases are also some substances that are used in generally, that is a toothpaste we use every mornings. This is one example of base. Okay, this and some and laboratory uses base. This is the sodium hydroxides, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH. This one also some example of base. Next, the base, how they are changed in litmus papers. They have the change to red litmus paper into blue in color. So either the substance is basic in nature, they can change the red litmus paper into blue in colors, and the taste of the bases are that is the bitter. Okay, they have the bitter in taste. Okay, the soap solutions is also a basic in nature. That's why the soap are the always bitter in taste. Okay, then how to identify is a acid or base? Another one. This is the base always produce OH minus or hydroxide ions in aqueous medium or waters. Okay, they are the hydrolysis or okay, the base, then they produce OH minus ion, then it is the water base. And against the acids and base are classified into strong and weak. Some acids are the strong acids, means the acids which are the completely ionized in waters or in their aqueous mediums, then it is what are strong acids, like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. These are the strong acids. And some acids are the weak acids, that is the citric acids and acetic acid, okay, formic acids, SCOS. So these are the example of some weak acids. Okay, those are the partially ionized in their aqueous solutions is known as what are weak acids. Similarly, the base are also categorized into strong base and weak base. Okay, the base which are the completely ionized in their aqueous solutions are called strong base. For example, sodium hydroxides, NaOH, potassium hydroxides, KOH, these are the strong base. And one weak base are there is the, for example, the NH4OH, ammonium hydroxides. Okay, some of the carbonate also are the weak base. Okay, so this is all idea about what are acids and base. Next we will discuss about how the salt are formed. Okay, one thing you remember, the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. Okay, so salt are formed by the reaction between acids and base. When acids are react with base, then what will form? Salt plus water. Okay, we are discussing an example of acid, which is the hydrochloric acid, HCl. In one base are the NaOH, it is the sodium hydroxides. Then here which salt are formed? Here Cl minus ion or here Na plus ion are combined into form NaCl. And here OH minus and H plus ion are combined into form H2O. Okay, so when acids are react with base, then salt and waters are formed, and this reaction is known as water neutralization reaction. Neutralization reactions. Here the acids are neutralized by base into form salt and waters. Many other salts are there. Some are the acidic salt, some are the basic salt, and some are the neutral salt. Okay, so how can you identify which one are the acidic salt, which one are the basic salt, and which one are the neutral salts? The salt with pH are below 7, it is a 0 to 6 or 6.9, means below 7, that is the water acidic salt. The salt with pH are more than 7, that is the basic salt. And the salt with pH value are 0, means this is the neutral salt. Another some salt are the some complex salt are also, some double salt are also. So we are already make video about the salt. Okay, you go through this video and details you have to understand how the salt are formed. Okay, so now discuss some properties of acids, some chemical properties of acids. Okay, chemical properties means here completely changes or new substance will be formed when acids are react with metals. Okay, first one we have discussed what happen when acids that times they are the react with metals. Okay, when acids react with metals, then they are form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, when acids react with metal to form water, salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, we have taken one example of acids, that is the HCl, and we have discussed a metal like magnesium, Mg. Then here the salt will be formed, that is the magnesium chloride, MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas, H2 gas. Here we have to multiply 2. Okay, here magnesium chloride is the salt, with hydrogen gas will be Avola. Okay, so when acids are react with metals, then form water, salt with hydrogen gas. Okay, the another properties are acids react with metal carbonate. Acids react with metal carbonate by reaction with metal carbonate. Okay. When acids react with metal carbonates, then form water, salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, when acids react with metal carbonate, then water form salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, we discuss one example. It is we are taken in place of acids or water, HCl, and one metal carbonates. We have discussed that is a calcium carbonate, CaCO3. CaCO3 is a one metal carbonates. Then here one salt of form, that is the calcium here, and chloride here, that is the calcium chloride, CaCl2, plus carbon dioxide are released, CO2, plus water are formed, H2O. Okay, so we have to balance, then we multiply 2. Okay, so this is the reaction of metal carbonate with acids. So another reactions are reaction with hydrogen carbonate. Reaction with hydrogen carbonate. So acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Reaction with metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay, when acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate, then water form here. Here also salt plus carbon dioxide and water are formed. To form water, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. So this one example we have discussed. It is a acids like HCl and metal hydrogen carbonate. It is a sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaSCO3. Okay. Then here one salt are formed, that is a NaCl. NaCl. Here Na and Cl, and here carbon dioxide gas also release, CO2 plus H2O. So this is already balanced. Okay, here sodium chloride salt will be formed. Okay, so this is the reaction with metal hydrogen carbonate. So next are the reaction of acid react with metal oxides. Other reaction with metal oxides. Reaction with metal oxides. So the metal acids are react with metal oxides. Acids are react with metal oxides, then form water, salt, and waters. Water here form salt plus water. Okay, one example we have discussed. It is in place of acid we have taken HCl and one metal oxides, that is magnesium oxides, MgO. Okay, then here salt are formed, that is the magnesium chlorides, MgCl2 plus H2 water. This is the salt of magnesium chlorides will be formed. Okay, then we have to multiply 2, then this is balance. Okay, so this is the reaction of metal oxides. This is the some important chemical properties of acids. Now we discuss. So next part or next revision class we have discussed some chemical properties of bases. Okay, thank you. I hope you practice in home. Okay, regularly. Okay, and any doubts you have to comment me. Okay, and we have to discuss next class. Thank you.